So guys, once you're on Steam, in the top left, you want to click on Steam. Now, you want to click on Settings. And now once we're here, you want to go to the Downloads tab. Now, you want to scroll down and then click on Clear Cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log back into Steam again. So click on Confirm. It's then going to sign you out of Steam, log back in, and then see if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, once you're back on Steam, in the top left, click on Steam again, and then click on Settings. And now once we're here, you want to go to the Storage tab. You want to select the drive where you have your games installed. Then you want to click on the three dots, and then click on Repair Library. You want to repair your drive library for Steam. Once you do that, see if that works. For the last method, you want to find your Steam game you're having a problem with. You want to right click on it, and then click on Properties. Then you want to click on Installed Files. Now you want to click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. You want to verify your Steam game files. Once that's been done, see if that works.